Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to change snooze time on iPhone. So first thing is you can just simply go ahead and go to your clock application. And pretty much if you have the latest software, when you go for a specific clock, you should be able to see here snooze. And if you have the latest version, you should be able to see the snooze duration and you can change it. Now, if you don't have it, guys, you could just simply go ahead and use a third-party application. So you could just simply go for the App Store into your device, and you could just simply search for Alarmy. So this application works well. And of course, guys, you could also go ahead and check out other application, but I recommend going for the Alarmy. So guys, from here, open the app, and after that, it is just showing us about what this application does. Now from here, as you can see, once you have everything set up, you should be able to just simply select the specific alarm that you have. And as you can see, just do the usual process by providing the time, the date, and if we scroll down, we should be able to have an option over here, snooze. As you can see here on the snooze, we have interval, 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minutes. And if you select more options, you can choose up to 60 minutes snooze time, and you should be able to have here a customized max snoozes that you could have up to 10. And pretty much you could utilize this app that give this feature. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.